Welcome to online classes students. So today we are going to start our assessment 2 chapter, which is our first chapter, houses around us. But in our book this is chapter 5. You can see on page number 35. So you have to start from the houses. So in our previous video we learned about the story of different types of particular subjects, right? Body to food, food to clothes. So today we are going to learn about, and yes, it's a story of houses, how they made it, why we need a house, why the quality of neat and clean house, the various types of house which is found in India, right? We are living in India, so we will talk about the Indian houses. So that's why it's talking about the various types of the Indian houses, right? So you can see on your book, I know you all having your book right now, so you can open it, the page number 35, and you can see the two pictures are given to you, right? In the two pictures there are some two pictures of different kind of houses, so you have to recognize it. So the house where they belong, right? So in the Kerala, how which kind of house is there? The boat kind of house. And yes, in the second thing you can see the simple house is given to us, which is from the Shimla, right? So let's start with the question, right? Why we need a house? For example, why we need a cloth, why we need a food. In the same way, why we need a house? So we learn to know about the house. Okay, why do we need a house? Our house is a place where we can live safely with our family members, right? We are living with our members, right? Family members, with our mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, right? We are living together in a house which we are in safely, we can say. From heat, from cold, the house protect us all members of your house, not only one, right? Not only you. So in this way, the house place where we live safely with our family members. It gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain and dust. As I said, they protect us from these calamities, right? It is a place where we rest, relax and enjoy with our family, right? It's a place. You can see whenever your father come from office, when you go to your home from your school. So it's a place where you can relax, where you can play anything what you want, anything you eat, whatever you want to eat, right? It's a place, your place. That's why it's called home, where you can feel safe with your family. So many families stay together in a neighborhood. We live one big family in a neighborhood, right? As we are a part of a big community, right? Communities, you can see in our previous video we had a chapter of communities where the families, right, the numbers of family or group of together come to a one place where we call a community, right? So in this way, when families, right, in the number of families come together in at one place, that is neighborhood. So you can see in a Hindi language we say हमारे पड़ोसी, right? So in this way we can conclude our neighborhood, the number of families which are living together, right, in a area, particular area. So in this way we learn why we need a house. Now we can learn a quality of neat and clean house. So as we learn the qualities, right, we learn the need of house. Now we will learn the qualities of neat and clean house. If we having house for us, right, we need a neat and clean house. As we all know that child, if anyone have a child, they always making the our house very dirty, but one person or two person make them clean, right? So you can see your mother and father make your house very tidy and clean, right? So in this way the construction of a house depend on various factors, right? Now there is various factor to make a house: climate, material available and budget. Yes, for the climate, like if there is a rainy season, you can't make a house because it will be become the one of the worst house for you. Okay, so material availability. So materials like bricks and all the things which is very needy for a house. So we need this in our house. So these are materials inside our house or outside our house, right? outside, like when a house made of bricks, cement, and all by all these things we use in a house. But in the inside of our house, when we living in the house, we need some particular materials which is very needed in a house, right? Like furnitures, TV, the home appliances which is needed in the kitchen, right? All these things which are the basic needs of our house. Okay, so we fulfill it by the budget. If you having budget, right, if you have money, that means you have some you have contributed some money for your particular things which you need in house, right? For the home appliances, for the furniture, for the fridge, for the fan, for anything which you need in your house, right? So for the house, we all need a budget, right? Budget which means a collection of money which we spend on a particular thing, which we make a list of things for our home, right? A home needs a maintained regularly, right? If you never don't maintain it regularly, you can see your house become very dirty. If you don't maintain your clothes daily, you don't wash your clothes daily, you can see a big mountain of your clothes on a one side is begin, right? So in this way you can learn it that if a house we need, that means we need the cleanness in our house. If we need a good house, we have to maintain it regularly, which means we have to clean it regularly. In this way we can make a good and clean house, right? So you can see now there are some ways which is given to us in our book that we can clean and save, right? We can buy a cleanliness like clean a proper safely manner, right? To become a neat and tidy house. A house must be kept free from dust, a clean from the diseases away. So we can connect it, we can link it with the diseases, we can link it with our health. Why? Think, suppose if your house is full of dirtiness, full of the things which is health harmless for our health. So think, if you are living in a dirty area with a lot of garbage, what it will be given to us? It's give us a harmful diseases to our body. So in this way, if we want to live a happy life or a healthy life, so what we have to do, we have to clean our house. So when we clean our house, which means we are keeping our disease away from our body, right? So by keeping our house clean, what we are doing, we are cleaning our body, we are saving our body, we are protecting from the everything, heat, body, cold, and yes, from the diseases also, from the dust also, right? So from all these things we are keeping ourselves clean by cleaning our home, right? Now let's go to next move, right? We can keep the house clean by following these steps. Now we know that how to clean our house, but now come on the point that various kind of steps are given to us, and these steps are for our cleanliness in the house. How we can clean our house daily. So there are some tips are given to us. You can come to the page number 36, right? On the 36, we should sweep and mop the floor daily. We should sweep, right? We having a sweeper in our home, so we can sweep it regularly to clean our house. Okay, so when we clean our house, we mop also. With the mopping, you can see the floor tiles, right? We having a floor tiles in our house, so these floor tiles are very clean by the mopping. It's not only by sweeping we can clean, we can by also using the mopping we can clean our house, we can clean our house tiles, right? We should keep all the rooms tidy by throwing the waste product in the dustbin. So now we learn how to tidy with these sweepers, right? Now we will learn how can we tidy our rooms. We can tidy our rooms by throwing the wastage in the garbage or in the dustbin. You can see we have lot of garbage in our daily life, in our everyday's life. You can see we eat something, there is wrappers, we having anything, right? So all having their waste material. Vegetable having their waste material, fruits are having waste material, right? Their wet materials which are are for us, these are garbage, so we should put into the dustbin. Okay, in this way we can clean our house. We should keep their things in the proper places, right? Why would we have to need this to keep our house clean? So we should take a proper thing to a proper place, which means if we having a bottle, right? I having a bottle, so there is a place to place a bottle at a proper place, right? If we are changing our uniforms after going to school, right, to home, we should know where we have to take this, where we have to pull them, right? Your mother will give you instruction for it. So in this way you learn that you have to clean your house daily. Okay, so in this way we learn you have to sweep, mop the floor, and then if you want your tidy room, so you have to throw the waste products in the dustbin. And yes, then in the next step, what you have to do, we should open the windows and let fresh air and sunlight come in. They kill the germs which cause diseases. Okay, so in this way, if we having the windows, right, when we open it, and you can see when the fresh air come into our body, we feel fresh. In this way, what we are doing, we are cleaning ourselves. When we are cleaning ourselves, which we are taking diseases away from our body, we are cleaning our body by taking a fresh air into us, right? So by open a window and let fresh air and sunlight come in, it kill the germs and also not causes diseases. Which should use mosquitoes and net and insect repellents. Okay, you can see we having some greener areas where the mosquitoes are very you can see visible for us that they are so what we have to do for the mosquitoes, if there are mosquitoes are there, so we can use the insect repellent. There are some, you can see the advertisements of the mosquitoes, good night, and these all things are repellents. Why they are using for the insect repellent, as an insect repellent, right? So in this way we learn the 5 tips, right? 5 tips for cleaning our house. Now we will go further. Now you come to the 37 page number. On the 37 page number, you can see the first paragraph of your first step, right? From this page, we should use wear mesh on windows and doors to keep mosquitoes, flies or insect away. Okay, there are some kind of we can say some chemical which we use on our windows, so the mosquitoes to keep our mosquitoes away, okay, from our home. So in this way we can keep our home clean. And yes, in the next way we should disinfectants and other chemicals to keep germs and pests away. So not only the mosquitoes repellents are available in the market, there are some keep germs, pests are also available for us in the market. So you can use for the cockroaches, right? Kala head, we can see the advertisement of Kala head, which is used for the chemicals to keep the cockroaches away from our kitchen. So in this way there are a lot of things which is available in the market for keep away these kind of insects from our home, right? So let's talk about, we have cleanliness. This is the first thing which we learn, why we need a cleanness in house, why we need a clean house in our home, in our rooms, right? So let's talk about the safety. So in the safety, play a vital role in keeping the house safe from any kind of danger, right? As we need the cleanness in the house, we need safety too in our house, right? Which is also important for our house. We can keep the house safe by following these steps. Now they having also some step, okay? And yes, from your book you can see also there are some tips are given to you in this section, in the yellow box, and yes, in the orange box. In the yellow box, yellow back box, you can see there have question for you, and yes, in the orange box you can see a simple thing which you this one is fact for you, which is given to us, right? In the quick question which is given to us is how do you keep your house clean. So in this way you have to learn how can you keep your house clean, right? Now in the second step, knowing is fun. Bugs like termites and the silverfish can eat wood, leather and damage house goods. Yes, bugs you can see, those can eat woods. Okay, so these all are insects which is very dangerous for our home, which we have to keep them away. So in this chapter we have done our cleanliness and we are started our safety, but in the next video we will complete the whole chapter from safety to the various kind of houses. So for today, that's all for today. Thank you, students.